how easy it is to cut this and to take a good bite. Smells so delicious. All right, let's see what we got here. Hey guys, it's Lakysha with What's Next, and I'm here again in my husband Johnny's kitchen. Gonna make a quick and easy meal. This one is a delicious one. It's very simple, called taco toast. So to start off, you're gonna take normal Texas toast garlic bread. I've got an 8-piece here, and what you're gonna do is just place it on your baking sheet like you would normal. We're gonna cook it for about 350 degrees until we see it start to brown. We don't want it to get too dark though, and I'll show you why. While that's cooking, you can go ahead and take 1 pound of ground beef, and you want to break it all up and actually put taco seasoning in it, as if you were going to make tacos. Once we do all that, I'll come back to you for the next step. All right guys, so we just took the garlic bread out of the oven. As you can see here, it is browned, but it's not too stiff. It's still got a little give to it, and the crust on the outside is slightly cooked. So you just want to make sure that you've got a good brown color on it, because we will be putting it back in the oven. We also made the ground beef, so we've got that here seasoned with the taco seasoning. It doesn't matter which seasoning you use, what you like, however you like your tacos to be seasoned as far as the meat is concerned, that's how you can season this. I just simply used a pack of the taco seasoning itself. So what we're gonna do is take a tablespoon, couldn't think of what this was called, and we're gonna kind of push down in the center of these garlic toast pieces, almost to kind of flatten the bread on the inside that's soft, and to have the outside kind of be a good crusty edge around our food here. And once we do that, we're gonna take some of the meat and load it inside of each one of these. I'm going to show you one of them, and then I will let you get started on it. So we've got the meat here, kind of push it down in, and you can pile it high if you'd like to, but just as long as you've got the meat so that it's kind of inside of the little indentation that you've made. Once you get that done, I've got the 4-cheese Mexican cheese. You can grate your own cheese. You can use any cheese you'd like, but I am going to go ahead and put some of this on top. After I make a big mess. All right, so we're gonna get that on top. And then once I complete all of these, I'm going to stick this back in the oven on 350 degrees. Now everybody's oven is a little bit different, but I'm guessing it's gonna take probably around 10 minutes or so to melt this cheese in into the meat, so that we have a nice kind of one package with the cheese melted on top. All right, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so I've got them all finished and ready to go in the oven. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So if you take a look here, you can see each of the toast has their own taco meat on it and the mixed cheese. So we're gonna put them in the oven again, like I said, about 350, and maybe about 10 minutes or so until the cheese melts. All right, so we are finished. It did take about 10 minutes in the oven, and you can see the cheese nice and melted on our toast that we have here. It smells delicious because you've got that garlic toast smell, you've got the cheese, you've got the meat. Everything is just right. And the edges are nice and crispy. The center is nice and soft, just like we want it. So now it's just a matter of dressing it the way that we enjoy it. So for my family, I'm gonna do a little bit of lettuce, some tomatoes, and some sour cream. Yours, you could put whatever you would like on there, olives, all the different things that people plan when they are having a taco type meal. So we're gonna go ahead and go on with some lettuce and some sour cream. Maybe, there we go. Well, that was kind of a lot of sour cream, but we're gonna put a little more lettuce because that's the way I like it. And a few tomatoes here. All right, let me take it out and take a taste. But look at that, you've got your whole thing, very easy to hold. And I've got it all in one nice little package. So you could choose to eat it like this with your hands, or if you want to have a little bit of class, you of course can use a fork and a knife. So you'll see here. how easy it is to cut this and to take a good bite. Smells so delicious. All right, let's see what we got here. I took a big bite. It's really, really good because you've got that garlic taste. You got the nice toast, which already has the flavor, the bread, and how the texture of it is. But then you've got your basic taco basically on top of that bread. So absolutely delicious. Another success. It's Lakysha with What's Next, and we'll see you next time.